Today we will discuss about SQL query execution order with respect to SQL classes, that is select, from, where, group by, order by, partition by, having, limit and offsets. This diagram shows us two sets of SQL classes while retrieving data from objects. So just consider first case, which is first row. So here we can see three source tables there, which is having three columns in each table. So which we have one common column to join or merge as part of merge data as part of business requirement. Once we merged by using joins on top of a from class, so where we are going to use where class to restrict the data as part of a conditional based selection from business requirement or through a particular client requirement. Then we are using group by class. So what is group by? Why we are using group by here? So group by class, if you want to group the information on top of some data sets or some kind of raw data, we are going to use a group by. So basically once we use group by, if you want to filter data on top of group by class, we can use having class to filter the data on top of group of information. So we have another set of data retrieval as part of this diagram is order by and limit and offset. So order by, if you want to ordering the data, it can be a ascending order, it can be a descending order, whatever it is. So with respect to numeric values 1 to 10 ascending order, 10 to 1 descending order. With respect to character or string of values A to Z ascending order and Z to A descending order. So we are going to use ASC and DSC keywords to ordering the data. Then we have limit and offset. So limit, so select star from table, limit, and we can give a number of rows here. We can give 10 out of 1 lakh, 100 out of 1 lakh, 1000 out of 1 lakh, whatever it is. So based upon your requirement, based upon business requirement, you can retrieve that data with respect to conditional based. We have one more class, that is partition by. So it will work like a group by. If you want to group of information from the raw data or data sets, we are going to use a partition by. Just assume we have some department level department table which will be having department level data. If you want to partition by department name or department ID, we will do that. Okay, we can use any of these SQL classes apart from group by and having. If we are using group by, you can use a group by alone. So if we are using having class, so we must use group by. So it's all about SQL classes sequence. So that is select, from, where, group by, order by, partition by, having, limit and offset. So most of the data warehousing projects are ETL process, which we are going to use these classes most of the time. So as a ETL tester, we are going to use only DRL, that is a data retrieval language command. Select, DSC, describing DSC means describing table, then distinct. So if you want to fetch unique records from any of the object. So this is the about classes of SQL. Going forward, we will come up with more videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.